It's been a pleasure serving Irish customers, and we're very proud to have been doing it for 40 years. Yes, this year Autoglass turns 40. This got us thinking, what other motoring milestones have happened in that time? Back in 1978, airbags arrived in the average car. In 1979, wearing seatbelts became mandatory in Ireland. In 1984, the world's first car CD players became available. A year later, laminated glass becomes a requirement, leading to the invention of heated windscreens. In 1990, the first stretch of the M50 is completed, and the same year, Autoglass begins repairing as well as replacing windscreens. Great news for Irish motorists, better news for the environment. In 1991, Jordan Grand Prix bursts onto the Formula 1 scene. The following year, the 70 mph speed limit is authorised on Irish motorways. In 1996, emergency brake assist is introduced. In 1999, dings become a thing of the past with the introduction of intelligent parking assistance systems. 2003 sees innovation of our own with the arrival of the Autoglass Easy Wire cutting system, eliminating the risk of damage to your vehicle. In 2005, Ireland goes metric, switching from miles per hour to kilometres per hour. In 2006, Dublin Port Tunnel opens to traffic, and the same year the Road Safety Authority is established. In 2008, traffic sign recognition is developed and Google's self-driving car project is launched. In 2010, the M50 upgrade is completed. The first pedestrian detection systems are also offered as an option. In 2011, our One Tech lifting system is introduced, saving installation time and our technicians' backs. With the rollout of our Vanbrella system in 2013, Autoglass becomes truly all-weather, and in 2015, Autoglass becomes a fully mobile service, allowing us to do the job at a time and a place that suits you. A lot has happened in the past 40 years, but one thing has remained the same: our commitment to innovation, safety, and above all, providing a quality service to our customers. Here's to the next 40 years.